Product visuals can make or break a sale. One bad image and people just keep scrolling. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you a tool that completely changes how product photos and videos are made. My name is Daniel, and today we're diving into Product AnyShoot, an AI-powered feature that lets you drop your product into professional-looking scenes and even turn those images into full videos without cameras, studios, or design skills. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. There might be some nice discounts there. Let's dive right in. Alright, my friends, so let me break down what Product AnyShoot actually is and why it matters for anyone selling products online. It's an AI-powered tool that takes your product and drops it into professional-looking scenes without you ever setting up a camera or lighting equipment. The way it works is straightforward. You upload a photo of your product, and the AI seamlessly integrates it into different backgrounds and environments. Maybe you guys want your product in a sleek studio setting with perfect lighting, or perhaps you need it in a certain context to appeal to a specific target audience. What makes this practical is that you don't need any design experience or Photoshop skills to make it happen, folks. You upload your image, make a couple of quick adjustments to get things looking how you want, and the AI takes care of blending everything naturally. The system handles the lighting, shadows, and perspective, so your product looks like it actually belongs in that scene rather than awkwardly pasted on top. This is particularly valuable for e-commerce listings, social media advertising, and any marketing content where visuals directly impact whether people buy or keep scrolling. You can generate high-converting product images in seconds, instead of spending hours in editing software or paying for professional photography. What really sets this apart, guys, is that these images aren't just static photos. You can convert them into full product videos, which typically drive even higher engagement rates when you're running ads or posting on social platforms, so you're getting both image and video assets from the same quick process. Okay guys, I could talk about it endlessly, but let me show you how it all actually works. It's mind-blowing how easy and fast it is. So first things first, let's head over to their website, TopView.ai. Once you log in, here's your dashboard with all the products they offer. As you can see, there are lots of tools to play with. But what really interests me right now is this particular tool, Product AnyShoot. Wait for it, folks. You'll see just how powerful it can be. It does some amazing things in just seconds. There are two main options for this tool. There's Product plus Model. It works great for those cases when you want to show off a model wearing or holding your product. And there's Product plus Background, where you can pick from a large number of backgrounds for things you're selling. Now let me show you how they work. Everything is super simple. So the first thing I need to do is upload my product image. Let's do that. Folks, keep in mind that you should keep your product images simple and at next when they have a white background. This will help the smart tool to analyze it and understand how to place it correctly. Now I need a model. If I click this Select from Public Templates button and can select one of a huge number of models, they are even broken down into categories for easier search. Let's pick this one, guys. Now what I need to do next is select the brush tool and paint over the area where I want my product to be. In my case, it's a cap, so naturally I want to see it on the mode's head. There you go. Now all that's left to do is hit generate and see what we got. And I like this result. The cap seems to sit naturally, like it's been there from the start. But that's not all, guys. You can actually animate this image by turning it into a video. Let me show you how to do that. I'll click this Image to Video button here and go to a separate workspace. Here you can choose the model you want to work with. I'll go with Clean. Below I can describe what I want the model to do. For example, I want this guy to turn his head from left to right and smile. Here are also a number of settings you can play with, such as aspect ratio, resolution, duration, and number of generations. Okay, let's hit generate and check out the result. And here it is. Honestly, it looks not bad. Alright guys, that wraps up our deep dive into Product AnyShoot. Honestly, I'm really impressed with how easy it is to take a simple product image and turn it into professional-looking visuals, both photos and videos, without needing cameras, lighting, or design skills. Whether you're creating content for e-commerce, social media, or ads, this tool makes your products pop and helps grab attention fast. From realistic placement on models to smooth animated videos, it's a game changer for anyone looking to boost engagement and sales. If you're ready to try it for yourself, head over to TopView AI and start experimenting with product AnyShoot. Play around, see what kinds of shots and videos you can create. You'll be surprised at how fast it works. I'd love to hear what you make with it, so drop a comment below and share your experiences or your favorite results. And if you found this video helpful, give it a like and make sure to subscribe for more AI tools and marketing tips. Now go create some viral product content and have fun with it. Thanks for watching. Until next time.